Today I'm going to tell you how you can insert an image in MS Word. For that, you will go to the insert option. And here you can see there is a picture option is given. Click on it. If you want to insert your image from your device, in that case you will choose this option, or from online, in that case you will choose this option. So I'm going to select the picture from my device. So I'm going to select this option. I'm going to select the folder which is having the image. The image I've selected. You can resize the image by dragging its borders from this circles, width, height, and in equally both directions. So you will choose this corner one. Now you can see the picture is coming like this, and there's lot of spaces appearing here. What it means, actually picture is inserted on the particular line. Okay, so picture is big and text is small, so that's why it is appearing like this. So what you need to do, you need to change the properties of an image. How you can change? When you picture is selected, so you can see there is a one small this icon is appearing. You can change the property from there also, or when you will select the image here, you can see in the format option, automatically it is selected. When your image is select, then wrap text option is appearing. So what it does, how your text is going to appear along with image. So I'm just selecting its property. You can see that like this square. So in this option, you can see that automatically my taxes started coming from the top, and I can place the image even in the middle of the text also. Similarly, there are other option also like this. And this is like behind the text. It means that the image will appear behind the text. Okay. So these are some important things which you can try. In front of the text means that image will appear over the text, and even you can move it anywhere. So this is very important option. You should know how you can put the image along with the text. So here text will appear above or below the uh, text. Now you can see that you can change it. So this is very important feature. Generally you have seen your text like this. Most of the time in the newspaper article, you can see your text is appearing in one corner as well as image is also appearing. Now, next I want to tell you about the border or style of the images. When your image is selected, automatically you see there are so many picture styles are appearing. You can select any style. Now you can see that image, it is giving one border, but it is in a white color. You can change its color also. You can see here, first is that picture border is given. You go there and select the color, whatever the color you want as a border. Okay. Now there are many styles are given. You can select any style. Fine, as well as you can change the color also. Again, there is a some style. They all the same styles, but having one effects like shadow effect you want to give like this. So these are some styles are given. That's all.